We are a few days away from the launch of Pixel Fold and every small thing is out regarding the Pixel Fold. There are a couple of reasons for you to buy Pixel Fold, but some do have concerns why Pixel Fold is not the best option for you, as we already have our first look on Pixel Fold, which we will talk later in this video. Google is going to launch Pixel Fold in Google I/O event and everything is out regarding the Pixel Fold, even the battery size of Pixel Fold, and I have some mixed opinion whether it's good or not, because Pixel Fold is going to come with 4500 mAh battery. Yes, 100 more than the Fold 4 and about the same as Apple Find N2. Now there are little concerns why this battery might be smaller for Pixel Fold, because we didn't see big battery numbers on Pixel 7 Pro, which was rocking 5000 mAh battery, as Pixel 4 is going to use the same processor, Tensor Gen 2, so we can just hope to get a better battery life out of the Pixel Fold. Also, the charging speed is only 23 watt. 2 less than the Fold 4 and a lot less than the Vivo X Fold 2, which is standing at 100 watt. Before moving on, drop a like. And here is the good news for camera lovers, and this could be the reason for most people to go for Pixel Fold. Pixel Fold is going to come with a 48 megapixel main shooter, 10.8 megapixel ultra wide, and 10.8 megapixel telephoto sensor. Also, we are going to get a 8 megapixel inner selfie shooter and 9.8 megapixel outer selfie shooter. The numbers are not that big, close to Fold 4, but the Google machine learning will make a big difference between Pixel Fold and Fold 4, as Pixel 7 Pro is one of the best when it comes to cameras, and so do Pixel Fold in the foldable market. Let me know, would you consider buying Pixel Fold? Taking the first look at the Pixel 4, the display seems outdated considering the Fold 4, because on Pixel 4 we got big bezels on top and bottom, and the reason is selfie shooter, and yes, the crease is still visible. Pixel Fold going to come with 5.8 inches cover display and 7.6 inches inner display, both with 120Hz refresh rate. There will be two models available for the Pixel Fold. 256 gigs will cost you $1,799 and 512 gigs will cost you $1,919 with a 12 gigs of RAM. If you guys want to know about pre-order gifts, you should watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next. Until then, peace out.